Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Microsoft/Mojang account because privacy controls live on the account level. Once signed in, make sure your email is verified and two-step authentication is enabled. This protects changes from unauthorized edits. Next, open Profile and select Privacy Settings. That's where Minecraft-specific options are grouped. Do this now so you don't have to toggle back and forth. Changing account security first ensures the privacy settings you set remain enforced and tied to your verified identity. Now you'll modify the in-game options that matter. Go to Privacy Xbox/Minecraft and decide who can join voice and text chat, choose friends to reduce exposure, or blocked for strict control. Then, set activity visibility so game clips, presence, and profile details aren't public. This prevents strangers from seeing your play history. Finally, toggle communication controls for messages and multiplayer invites so only approved contacts can connect. This keeps your sessions private and reduces harassment risks while To finish, save your changes and sign out, then sign back in so the server registers the new preferences. Once done, test with a secondary account or a friend to confirm chat, invites, and visibility reflect your choices. Testing reveals device or sync issues. If settings don't apply, make sure the account isn't a child account restricted by family settings, clear app cache or browser cookies, and reapply changes. One tip, check family. Microsoft.com controls, parental locks often override account privacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.